Hi, welcome to Vitality Chiro Spa. Today we are going to be discussing cranials and autism and how they relate and what is beneficial about the cranial therapeutic treatments. So anytime a child comes in within the autistic spectrum and the parents are seeking out alternative treatments for their child, we first start with the skull, as well as a history of the child and when the autism symptoms and signs came about, as well as what therapies they have been doing already. So usually when someone with autism comes in, there's an issue with input and output. And by that I mean sometimes we have nonverbal autistic children and they're receiving information from the world around them, but they're not able to express it back out. And when that region comes from the left side of the brain. So cranial-wise, what we're looking at is we're looking at the sphenoid bone, which is illustrated with this pink color, as well as the temporal bone of the brain, exhibited with the orange color. As we look up here, we can see that those two areas of the brain are down in this area around the temple line, as well as here. And this is your speech and auditory areas. And so when working with a child with autism, we need to make sure that these bones are in correct alignment. If any child is having verbal issues, what we look at is moving this bone gently and taking pressure off that area of the brain so oxygen, blood, and nerve supply can be restored for its proper function in that child. To book your initial consult and to see if you're a candidate for this treatment, please contact Vitality Chiro Spa on either Facebook or by calling 843-654-4540.